This video is for those of you who consider themselves a classic example of corporate warriors, which means you drink too much, you eat too much, you sleep too little, you work too hard, and you ignore your families. And trust me, till some years back, even I lived by exactly the same set of rules. Till one fine day when I decided to step away, take a sabbatical and spend time with my family, especially my two lovely little children. That is when I realized that I could strike work-life balance beautifully, provided I had no work. So, work-life balance is a myth. This is a myth which has been victimizing all of us across the world forever and ever. Imagine our work-life balance, we put the controls of it in the hands of our organizations. And these commercial organizations, and remember even the good ones, are technically by default designed to extract everything out of us. And we think that flexi working timings, paternity, maternity leaves, bringing childcare into offices, or Friday dressing down are going to help us squeeze out the kind of time on a day-to-day basis that we need to spend with our young families. Not exactly. And to make it worse, we have been conditioned to believe that success is when the man who makes the most money in the world dies, he wins. Imagine. Is that how you and I have struggled all these years? And do we often hear ourselves say that we will live our dream life post-retirement? Which means when you and I are frail and fragile, when we are living out of a medical kit, popping pills, when our friends and our pup buddies have steered away, obviously because of mortal reasons, when our spouses have left us or left us for good, and our children have emptied nest and flown away, that is when we see ourselves living a dream life? If that be the case, please take control of your life now. To me, coronavirus seems like the antidote for the warped up definition of work-life balance that we were exercising all our lives. Look at yourself. Aren't you living a more blissful life? You eat right, you exercise, you think, meditate and read, you spend time with your loved ones, you while away time playfully. Is that not the kind of life we all dream to live? This reminds me of a personal experience. One of my friends who's a tall corporate leader, he shared his own personal account of Corona lockdown. Day one Corona lockdown. Oh, it was so endearing to hear it. I ought to share with all of you. He said that day one Corona crisis lockdown, he saw himself spending an entire day with his own family. He had 3 meals with his own children. In fact, they read out to each other, they played together, they even ventured into kitchen and did some baking. And at night, when he slipped into his son's room, just to ensure that he was neatly tucked into his bed, his son reached out to his dad and held his hand and said, "Daddy, this has been the best day of my life ever." Now pause and think. Were you struggling with work-life balance all these years? Do you want to go back to the old way of striking work-life balance? Or do you wish to reinvent your definition of work-life balance? Corona crisis will be soon pass. We will all get over this phase. The world will rebound. But when the world rebounds, do you want to live by the new rules of work-life balance, or do you want to go back and live the old life? Just pause and think.